With a typical log cabin, we're looking at the same size width of strips, but the reason why this one is different is because we have a very thin strip that goes here and a very thin strip here, where these are actually much wider.
So that is my center block.
Okay.
Do you see this one? That doesn't match. What you need to do, I'm gonna sew the white to the blue. I'm gonna attach this to the blue and the white, so it has to be as long as the two are joined. Here's my white.
Okay, and this is a much narrower strip.
It is the narrower one. It goes right there.
My guess is we're gonna add another white block. It says narrow, round one. This is that square. The wider now, right?
Then
okay, so you just keep on doing this round and round.
It's the exact size.
Whoa.